These blackberries are heaven. But the problem is, the plants are so pokey. And they're out of control and unruly. But oh my gosh, they're so much better than the ones in the back. I'll show you the ones in the back in just a minute. They're big and juicy with no thorns. But the flavor's kind of flat compared to these ones. Oh, they're so good. It's so overgrown and chaos. So hard to get in there. This, you saw me prune earlier. This is in 1 year. On the other side, I didn't even prune this year. So yes, it's worth it, but these blackberries, their taste is so amazing. But look at the chaos involved. You really got to stay on top of it. My back garden is more a forest than food this year. Hopefully it starts producing a lot in the next couple weeks to a month. But see this side? Super decked out last year. This side, not so well. So I got to work on my compost a little bit better. But this is what I wanted to show you. Look at the jungle, I told you. More forest than food. But then you get in here, I got to take a lot of those out. Volunteer sunflowers. You get in here. Look at this. I'll write the variety on the screen. So they're giant. Look at the size of those. Super giant. That one's not pulling off on its own, so that means it's going to be kind of bitterish. When they go from shiny to dull, and they pull off on their own, that's when they're ready. So, I'm going to taste these ones. They're a lot more bitter. They're huge. But the taste on them is nothing like the ones in the front. So even though it's thornless, it's easier to get to. The berries are giant. The unruly bushes in the front that are hard to get to, that are super obnoxious, taste better.